Hello, sorry about the really weird camera setup. I'm doing this from my phone. My name is Eros Elizabeth Bathory, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today I have ordered a package from Hell's Headbangers. It is a very, I feel like if you listen to metal music, you should know what Hell's Headbangers is. I finally ordered something from them for the first time, and after ordering, I also had the pleasant discovery of finding out that Hell's Headbangers is located in Ohio. So at some point in the future, I will be doing a video where I visit Hell's Headbangers in person. I'll be honest, I know I titled this video as in Hell's Headbangers haul, but I only bought one thing. Because I'm poor as shit. I specifically bought a t-shirt, not just any t-shirt. I bought Dissection's The Somber Lane. Yeah. This is what it looks like. It's a Gildan. Thank God it's a Gildan. As you know, I am a diehard Dissection fan. In fact, that's pretty much what I glaze the most in Poser's Guide episode 2. So I felt it was long overdue that I first off started to expand, buy more band tees, and second, make sure that band tee specifically is Dissection. I've never done this kind of video before, so I'm really sorry about how very anticlimactic this video is. I was just really excited about opening this, and I just wanted to show you guys because I'm also really behind on content. DSBM, I started finally going back through the script and then revising what I needed to. I'd say I wouldn't expect it anytime soon, but I will be making some videos that aren't going to be necessarily Poser's Guide stuff. I just want to make stuff. Like I said, I really feel bad making a big video project and then just dipping for a few weeks because my motivation is really ass. I really hate that that's the case, but that's just how I operate. I got to stop operating like that. But yeah, man, until I work on my next actual YouTube video, I bought the Somber Lane. Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm the Somber Lane.